How to repair your Duolingo streak. Tap on the fire emoji in the top, and here you'll see your streak calendar. From here, let's say that you lost your streak May 23rd. What you want to do is turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on airplane mode. From here, go to your settings. Once you're in the settings, click on the search icon and head over to date and time. Let's click on that. Click on date and time again. Here I'm going to disable automatic date and time. And from here I'm going to set date for it to be the exact same day where we lost the streak. So if we lost the streak 23rd, I'm going to set 23rd. I'm going to click done. And then I'm going to hop back into Duolingo and do the lessons that I need to do to repair the streak. And then simply repeat the steps just backwards. Enable automatic time and date. And here we can turn on Wi-Fi, turn off airplane mode. And here, as you can see, it says May 24th. So it automatically set the correct date. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.